All right, back with another video. This video is actually going to be for straight out of content. So all you guys out there, welcome back to another video, straight out of content, Carl's Garage. You got Carl's Garage right here. This video is very, very, very important because here recently, we got our guy, Car Wizard, and what is this? 3 weeks ago, he did a video. I'll show you guys here just a little clip on a Kia Optima. So I'm gonna be reviewing this video because so many of you guys out there are like, oh, this and that about Kias and you don't know, or you'll say, well, my Kia has 200,000 miles on it and stuff like that. So I'm gonna try to just go through this video as much as possible. I think it's like a 15-minute video. And this car is actually here because of an AC issue, which I didn't film that specific problem, but I had the exact same AC issue that he had in this car, that this person has in their car. I had the exact same issue in my car, but I didn't film it. So I did, this was how many years ago? This was 6 years ago. I had the side mirror because somebody sideswiped me. And then I had the fan went out. And then right after the fan went out, the AC compressor went out. And I just didn't film that one because I think I had Peter at that time fix it. But anyway, so go back and check out any of these videos if you guys have any issues with your Kias or Hyundais. And remember that right here, Carl's Garage and Kia Hyundai Recall Agent are the two #1 sites. Really, I'm gonna be merging everything into the Kia Hyundai Recall Agent moving forward. So in fact, let me go over here and show you guys this right here. Let's go ahead and make myself a little smaller. So moving forward, I probably will be merging everything into the Kia Hyundai Recall Agent. And I'm probably going to, because right now there's like, I got a like $59 one-time fee and stuff like that, and $25 for this and $99 for the flip program. And what I'm thinking about is maybe that's too much for some people. Maybe that's just too much. So I'm thinking about making it like a $4.99 or $5 a month, and it'll just be a membership and you'll just get access to everything. You'll get access to the entire thing. Everything will just come in it for just $5 a month. So then maybe, I'm thinking about that as well. So, or maybe I'll do two options where I'll have that if you just want to pay $5 a month, and then you'll have access to everything. You can come in here, you can talk to the agent. Am I logged in right now? Yes, I am logged in. So you got your tools, you can come in here, you can talk with your agent, you can talk to it, you can do whatever you want, watch all the videos, you'll have all the books, you'll have access to them. You just have access to everything just for $5 a month. But then again, if you cancel, then you won't have access to it anymore. So I don't know, I'm kind of thinking about that. So let me know in the comments if you guys are interested in that. But without any further ado, I think I'll leave the big screen up like this so that you guys can see most of the video. I'll make it big on my end. And then we're just gonna go over here and just review this, this video here.
Going cold anymore. And they were like, oh my God, something major is wrong.
Oh, let's go to the beginning. All right.
Kia.
Come on, those are plants.
Those are plants. Yeah, those are plants. Kia. Whatever. Let's fast forward here.
Whatever. Kia, same thing. This is a 2014 Kia Optima.
Now, again, for YouTube purposes and copyright purposes, I am reviewing this video. So I'll actually bring it down because YouTube has gotten extremely strict. Like they're flagging all types of people for copyright and all this other stuff. So I am just reviewing this video. So I will be pausing a lot of the video. Okay. Just for so that this way I don't get flagged for trying to, copyright or whatever. So I will be pausing a lot. I had a 2015 Kia Optima. This is a 2014. Let's proceed.
Are these reliable? Not really.
Nope.
It's right at the fine line. The older Kia models are actually okay. But right when you get about 2014.
So I want to correct him there. He mentioned, are these reliable? The quick answer is no, which he gave to you, right? The quick answer is no, they're not reliable. These cars are not reliable. But he said right until you get to 2014. That is incorrect. That is why having my books, right? Having the Kia Hyundai Recall Agent is very important for you, because you might watch this video because he's a huge YouTuber, big mechanic guy. And you might go, oh, well, I have a 2010, 2011. I'm fine, right? So I just want you guys to hear what he's saying, and then I'm gonna correct you guys. And again, he doesn't specialize in Kia, so he's not supposed to know this. So this isn't a bash on a Car Wizard. I love the Car Wizard. He's one of the greatest guys out there. I just wanna be, just add even more information on top of what he's saying. This way there's no miscommunication.
Models are actually okay. But right when you get about 2014, and go to 15 and 16 and 17, it really takes a nose.
So that's just not correct, because what he means by the older models, he means pre-2010, pre-Theta 2 engine. Remember, there's a Theta 1, Theta 2, and Theta 3 motors. The Theta 2 is the one with the major recall. The Theta 3 has piston ring recalls and stuff like that, but that's a totally different subject, and you're not gonna get your engine replaced there. But for the models made from 2010 to about 2020, give or take, the 2-liter and 2.4-liter, that are in so many of these cars in the SUV on Hyundai and Kia side, the 2010s have the exact same motor as this. The 2011s have the exact same motor as this. The 2012s have the exact same motor as this. The 2014, 2015, all of those have the exact same motor. They only put 2 variations of motors in these cars. The 2-liter turbo and the 2.4-liter, which the bottom end is the exact same. So I just want that to be a huge correction for you guys out here. If you don't know anything about Hyundais or Kias, I have the biggest platform on Hyundais and Kias regarding what's going on with their engines and stuff like that. So just Google me, and you'll just Google Carl's Garage, and I have hundreds of videos and thousands of orders and all this other stuff and thousands of views and thousands of comments on YouTube. So I'm here to just help you out. And again, people say, oh, well, can you help me out? Or I'm gonna get the book and stuff like that. Guys, remember, all of these videos are free. So for the last 6 years, I've had to take videos like this, edit them, cut them out, put them on 2 channels, straight to content, Carl's Garage. I've had to do the work to be able to give it to you. So if you don't want to pay for a book or anything like that, you can watch all of the videos for free. That is an option. The reason why I put it in your book form, digital book, I get so many people who order. Thank you for everybody who orders, but a lot of you guys think it's a physical book. It's not. I have 2 physical books that I printed out just for video purposes, but the books are digital so that you can have them in your phone. Quick, bam, boom, you have them in your phone, so that you can go up to the dealership and say, no, look, right here, this, you can't do this to me, you're lying. And then I create, we're in the world of AI. I am a software developer. I have been developing so many different softwares within like the past 6 months. I just launched my new software, Kiwi. So you guys can go check that out. But yeah, so if you don't want to pay, if you can't afford it, that's why I'm looking for more affordable options. If you can't afford it, or if $60 is hurting you, or even if $20 for the regular book is difficult, all of my content is for free. I don't put anything behind the membership. That would be like crazy. So I just want you guys to know that. There's a little caveat. But yeah, just to correct them, all of them, 2010 to 2020, they all have that same Theta 2 engine in them.
Dive and goes downhill really fast. This one's held up the test of time. It's actually still in decent shape. Lucky for them, at least I don't know that it's caused them a bunch of trouble. But it came in making some noises in the dash. Is something wrong, like one of the motors or something? And they were worried because the AC wasn't blowing cold anymore.
Okay, so now, because like I said, I'm not gonna play too much of his video. I had this exact issue, and it was my AC compressor. But I also had the issue with the fan as well, with the clutch fan. So the fans go out in these cars. These cars are not, they're meant to hit 100,000 miles to stay within that warranty. And then after that, they completely plummet. They're not Toyotas, they're not Hondas. They're not meant to last for, 200,000, 300,000, 400,000 miles with just minimal maintenance. We're talking like regular oil changes and stuff like that. They're just not designed for that. So again, I'm probably gonna just do that right there, just kind of stop right there. And just let you guys know that, again, I probably will come back. So stay tuned for a part 2. I'll do a part 2 of this, but I'm actually about to eat. So I think that's my wife right there. She's bringing home some food. So that's gonna be it. Stay tuned for part 2, guys. Okay, but don't forget to head on over to Carl's Garage and also Kia Hyundai recall agent right here. That's my wife right there. She just got it. So don't forget to stay. Go over here, head on over to Carl's Garage, Kia Hyundai Recall Agent, grab all the books, grab all the software that you need. Stay tuned for part 2 here on Straight Outta Content. I'm gonna try to make more parts to that video because, again, YouTube is so stringent on copyright and stuff like that. So just made this quick little video. Hey, babe, hey, just made this quick little video on that. But it's so you guys know, for the caveat, for the ending of this video, don't watch videos and think, oh, my car is safe. Okay, and then in the next video, I got a bunch of people that contacted me and had some questions, so I'll mention those questions too, and we will finish up the Car Wizard video because, like I said, I don't want to play too much of his content in one video because YouTube is super crazy right now. All right, guys, so hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for the next video, part 2. Okay, part 2 is coming. I will make sure I post part 2 so that you don't have to wait for part 2. You'll see part 1 and you'll be able to click part 2. All right, stay tuned for the next video.